Yo, what's up, Learning Machine? So it is the end of the month, and as you can see, $131,000 at the end of the month just with CPA marketing, with free traffic, with YouTube, my cash cow channel. And then if we go over here, as you can see right there, this is adult marketing. This is over on Crack Revenue, $153,000 at the end of the month. That is done with paid ads right there, and the profit margins like 3x to 5x-ish, because some of the conversions just come in naturally without a paid ads because my links are out there at this point. And that's what happens when you run so much traffic. I'm talking millions of people, like hundreds of millions of impressions on my ads. And so that's how I'm able to accomplish that. Yes, it requires a little bit higher budget than most people to reach this point, but man, is it worth it. Without showing too much here, this is my Cash Cow YouTube channel, and that is my AdSense revenue, estimated revenue so far this month. It's the end of the month here. It's a late night here, and that's $70,000. Okay, $5,000 more than usual. It's been a good month for AdSense, clearly. Okay, so all together with everything, that's over $300,000, which is insane. All right, guys, so it's a late night here, and I just want to show you guys those results real quick, just so you could see at the end of the month. It has been a big month, but usually on average it's that much. Plus, I only just showed 3 different income streams. I didn't show all my other income streams of this month. I just want to show you guys a few, and those ones are some of the biggest ones for sure. And that's a lot of flipping money. But anyway, I don't know if I'll be making more videos showing results, because showing my money is personal. Anyway, that's why my hair's done right now, because it's pretty late right now. Hair gets messed up over throughout the day, but whatever, it doesn't matter. It's not like I'm trying to look good or anything. But I did throw on this chain because this is a big deal to me. It's the end of the month, and I do care about what people think. And especially tomorrow is a big day. I put years of work into what's happening tomorrow, and just this month, the last 2 months, I've put so much time and effort into putting it all together. So you'll see what it is tomorrow, May 1st. Stay tuned. Tomorrow morning, you'll see a new video on this YouTube channel here of what it is. It's such a big deal. It's going to change a lot of people's lives. It is so much value. It's ridiculous. And I'm telling you, I have put so much time, money, and even to get to that point, it took tons of sacrifice. It's insane. And so I hope you're excited. I'm freaking out. This month has been insane. And now that it's getting closer to the launch day that I release this thing, it's getting very exciting, because I know the power of it and how it's the best thing I've ever created and that I've ever seen be created inside this industry that you'll see. It's crazy. So stay tuned for that tomorrow morning. And I just wanted to, show you guys the results for the end of the month here. It's been insane. Over $300,000 in the course of 30 days. 30 days, over $300,000. Just making money online, just doing the things I do. This happens naturally. And you guys will see tomorrow, I don't need money, but I want to change people's lives, and I want to create something amazing that's coming from me. Like all these results you're getting, that you see me getting here, that I showed at the beginning of this video for the end of the month, those are results of me promoting offers of other people. I never really created an offer that I've been extremely proud of at the highest level, and I can always improve on and just make amazing. And so you guys will see tomorrow, man. This is one of the craziest things I've ever made, and it'll always be like improving. I'm going to improve it all the time. It's going to be the best thing ever. So that's why it's a big deal to me, because it's something I've created. I've always promoted other people's offers and will continue to do so. But this thing's something I created. And anyway, I'm just very proud of it. And I know the power of it and what it will do for people. So it's very exciting. Stay tuned tomorrow, May 1st. And peace out, Learning Machines.